Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm gonna show you how to fix some problems along to your marketplace on Facebook. That is for if you're facing some problems inside marketplace, you're not able to use it to post whatever. Well, the first thing you might want to do is to update your Facebook. So you just go to a Play Store or Apple Store, whatever, just look for Facebook and see if you can find some update button. Okay, if you have, you just update, of course. Okay, another thing you can do is just go to Facebook, go to your profile picture, hit settings, go to this button right here, account center, look for personal details, and here you can edit your birthday. Okay, you must have 18 years old or more, of course. Third thing you might want to do, again, go to Facebook, go to settings, hit your avatar picture, of course, go to settings, go to browser inside preference, okay, browser, and hit clear. This is in Portuguese, but this button right here, it's called clear. You just clear your cache, okay? But if nothing of these solutions worth, you can go to Facebook support. You just open your Facebook app, go to avatar picture profile, and just scroll down a little bit until you find help and support. You just go there, click report technical problem. You just hit and you report on this blue button, okay, and you type whatever it's happening to you inside marketplace. Okay, so that's it. That's up for today's video. Hope you enjoy, hope you learn it. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.